Hi guys, this is me Ashish, and he is.
Hi guys, my name is also Asis and my names and my surnames, both are same. So
Yeah,
that's
absolutely.
great.
So without wasting time, let's it means conversation in English because
Yeah.
today we decided to conversation in English. What's happening right now? Okay, because everything is affected with the corona and due to lockdown, we have no chances to do something special in the life, right? But we don't consider that we have no chance to do something. Yeah, we have a lot of chance, but we have to choose the particular thing what we have to follow, yeah, according to the situation. So Mr. Ashish, what do you think about lockdown or coronavirus?
So according to me, sir, I'd like to tell you that first of all, I would like to thanks from bottom of my head that you have
Yeah.
given me this opportunity to talk to you.
Yeah.
And I think according to me, this conversation will be great in the last, and you will enjoy. So according to me, I would like to explain about coronavirus and this lockdown.
Yeah.
So I think this is the good for you can say saving our you can say security.
Yeah, securities and utilizing the time.
Yeah.
Yes.
But this is a very bad for
Hi there.
us, for
Yeah.
every teacher, for every student.
And also press this bell icon.
Yeah,
Because
absolutely.
we are unable to do something if we we have no any chance to earn some money area. And I'd like to tell you that we are staying in a center that is high tech computer institute, and this time we are opening, but we don't have allowed to say that now students can come here, they can join.
Yeah,
It's
yeah.
a very
So on
Yeah.
on this fact, I think the most particular thing, and this is the big problem for the teachers.
Yeah.
Because they have no chances to.
They have nothing. They have no any chances,
Yeah,
yes.
they have no any chance to do something because only they were depend on the teaching,
yeah,
right?
they were dependent on
Yeah,
teaching.
not all about just it means the government teachers, because the offices, it means they have a lot of offices and they are doing the proper, it means
Yeah.
work, okay, with their responsibilities. And but the private teachers, for the private teachers, I think they have a lot of issue and having to face. Yes. So how to remove it? And it means I think the credit goes to government also. Yeah, government should focus now on this
Focus.
point,
Yeah,
that
yeah,
what's happening right now,
definitely,
yeah.
government
This
should
is-
focus, and
Yeah.
this is the main issue that we couldn't go to college. Yeah, and government should allow to open institute and some coaches,
Yeah,
some
Because-
coaching center, because
yes,
that
yes.
is a must. And if you can say government is not allowing for the opening
Yeah.
college, so that is the must, because in college there are more student, and in coaching there is the some student. So I think according to me, sir, now government should open.
Yes,
Coaching
because a lot of reasons are here. It means if somebody say that everything is affected with the coronavirus, right?
Yeah.
So if we talk about the resolution of marketing system
Yeah.
in the market, a lot of person
Yeah, a lot of
we
person.
find there, right?
Yeah.
So it doesn't happen that the corona is increasing. Yeah, I
Yeah.
know, and we know also that corona
know
is
also.
increasing,
And
but it
yeah.
affects in the market value.
Yeah.
But yeah, education system is being bad day by day.
Yeah, day by day.
Reason being this.
Yeah, and I'd like to say that our you can say temples are mosques. All according to me, I think as far as I know, all
Yeah.
thing is being opened day by day, and
Yes.
in market is also being opened, and
Yeah.
there you can say coronavirus is spreading. There's
Yes.
a lot of chances to
Yeah.
to spread over.
Absolutely.
So I think according to me, this is
Yeah.
the good. But we have to focus, and now I think it's now. I'd like to tell that according to me,
Yes.
government should open. Government should allow to.
Yeah,
open
they have to
coaching
authorize
center.
for the education sectors,
Yeah.
because that is flooded, I think now.
Yeah.
Yes, and the big problem is this.
Yeah.
Suppose you are a teacher and you are running an institution.
Yes.
Okay, and you are a private teacher and you are running your own business.
business,
Okay.
yes.
As far as coaching center, school, colleges, and you are on the rent.
Yes.
You are having to pay the rent,
Yeah,
right?
definitely.
So definitely, what you will do, because you have no chance to earn. It means you have
And
not
sir,
you have not
you know-
another point to
Yeah,
earn money,
yeah.
right?
Because
So-
I only don't have another point to do that.
Yes.
Because if we will do any other work, so we will feel same because we are a teacher.
Yes,
so
we are
can't
teacher.
do anything.
Yeah.
This is our personal.
Yes.
So,
So-
government should understand this problem.
Yeah, it's a acceptable fact that it means it's a regulation of rent, because we are, it means, you know, in India, not in the world,
Also
Yeah.
press this bell
approx
icon.
80% people leave, it means it means they are living, the main credit goes to the rent. 80%
Yeah.
people, right? They are, it means, living by hiring the, it means houses or room, so they are having to pay. But it means for the teachers here, they have no chance to earn point as a earning point. They have no any earning point, right?
They
So
have
this
no
is
any
the
earning
big
source,
problem.
yes.
This is the big problem.
Big
They,
problem.
it means they have no it means money to eat food, so how
Yeah.
they will pay rent? Yeah. Yes.
And you know how we are living.
Yes, how we are living
Managing
nowadays.
our
Yes,
condition.
it means it's not being managed, you can say. Yeah.
It's not being
But
managed.
how we are living, just it means God knows only. Yeah. So the problem is
Nobody
this.
can understand this.
Nobody. Yes.
So,
And I think, but you know, the politics is going on. I think.
Yeah, politics
Yes.
is-
But there is no any matter to. It means. Get start anything. We can't get start anything if we think, then definitely we have, it means we have to be in the same
Yeah.
condition that we have a lot of issue, yes, to generate anything. But I think guys, according to me, it means this is my opinion too, that I wanna prefer the government also, that government should focus on this situation, because the education sector is flooded. But according to the rules, it means have to, they have to focus now. They have to not, it means I'm not saying that please you help, it means you help fully, right? It means you have to make the you can say acceptation that don't worry who is living in the rent, right? Just I'll help in the last hour. Definitely we can't say that when it means when can it be open, okay, as it means we are talking about the education sectors. But government should focus and they should advise us
Yeah.
that are up to last year, up to December, November or October. So that is not fixed, I know, but they should, it means they should get the advice now, and they should talk about it means this, talk about the opening the system, okay. But they are not having focus. So what is this? This is the wrong, yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.
And you know, I heard that before sometimes that our schools and colleges or institutions, you can
Yeah.
say, all sectors is being opened, but now I heard that
Yeah.
not open, and opening date is being
Yeah.
increased day by day. Yeah.
Yes. And one just it means I got one point.
Yeah.
Suppose we are a teacher and only we had the earning point, it means after teaching we were getting the everything,
Yeah.
right?
Yeah.
We were enjoying, we were living as like, so it means suppose there is no any acceptation to open the institution. Suppose if we are thinking that the system will be started, okay, approx 1 month, and after 1 month, 2 months,
2 months.
okay, and leave that,
Leave.
just
Yeah.
we get start any work,
Yeah.
and suddenly if government is, it means obsessing to open the institution,
Yeah.
okay, then we will think that, yeah, what should we decide,
Yeah.
what can we decide, we have to do that work or this work, right? So this is the big problem here. We can't do in this it means a position, we can't do the another work also.
Yeah.
Yes.
Because
So
if in between if we start to do any other work, and then
Yes.
government the government allowed to open our schools
Yeah.
and colleges, then what we should do.
this is the big problem now.
Yeah, that is the big problem. I
So I think guys, what we decided or what we discussed about, okay, I think you are also if you are with me, okay, if you want to support me on these obsessed points and regulations what I
Also press
shared
this
with
bell
you,
icon.
okay, so please be with me, and after that we will it means come with the next debate, okay,
Yeah.
in the next series. Thank you.